Want more sales on Amazon? You need A-plus content. It's like a secret weapon. A plus content makes your listings shine. Imagine this. Customers visit your product page, they see boring text and blurry images. Not good. Now imagine this. They see beautiful images, clear headings, and easy-to-read descriptions. That's A plus content. With A plus content, you can tell your brand story. You can highlight key features. You can build trust with customers. More trust means more sales. Ready to boost your Amazon game? Let's dive into A plus content. A plus content is like giving your Amazon listing a makeover. It's those enhanced product descriptions you see on some product pages. Think bigger images, comparison charts, and engaging text. Why is A plus content so important? It helps you sell more. A plus content makes your listings stand out. It grabs attention and keeps shoppers engaged. A plus content also builds trust. When customers see detailed information, they feel confident buying from you, and confident customers are happy customers. Ready to create your own A-plus content? It's easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose the right products. Start with your best-selling products. These are the ones that will benefit the most from A-plus content. Next, gather your assets. You'll need high-quality images, product information, and your brand story. Then select a template. Amazon offers pre-designed templates to make creating A-plus content easy. After that, add your content. Fill in the template with your product information, images, and brand story. Finally, preview and publish. Once you're happy with your A-plus content, preview it and then hit publish. Creating great A-plus content is just the first step. Now you need to optimize it for maximum impact. Here are a few tips. Use high-quality images. Images are key. Use clear professional photos that showcase your product. Write compelling headlines. Grab attention with headlines that highlight key benefits. Focus on benefits, not just features. Don't just list features. Explain how those features benefit the customer. Include a call to action. Tell customers what you want them to do, like add to cart. Track your results. See what's working and what's not. Adjust your A-plus content accordingly. For example, let's say you're selling a new type of water bottle. Instead of just saying it's BPA-free, highlight that it keeps drinks cold for 24 hours using a captivating image of a frosty bottle. There you have it. With A-plus content, you can take your Amazon listings to the next level and boost your sales. Start creating today.